Start. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're old here, what's up? And if you're new here, you're watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Rajni Khaitan, a fashion and lifestyle content creator. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, drop a like and comment below, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is The Click Chic. Well, today's video is going to be all about must-have winter wear essentials. I know a lot of you struggle when it comes to winter wear fashion as we face winters for a limited period of time and you don't want to invest much into winter wear pieces. So today I'm going to tell you about some must-have winter wear pieces in your wardrobe, how you can mix and match and style them in different ways, all with your basic winter wear outfits. Things that are going to keep you warm yet fashionable and chic, and if you don't have them, buy them right now because trust me, those are going to be your investment pieces. So let's start with the video. So the first must-have winter wear essential is a basic fitted black or white turtleneck top. I have this black one and trust me, it can be styled in innumerable ways. Just make sure that the quality is really good so that it doesn't make you feel itchy or uncomfortable. I got this one from Zara. You can also tuck it inside your bra and make it look like a crop top and further layer it to raise the temperature a little. If the weather doesn't permit, you can simply tuck it inside your jeans or pants. You can also go for a colored turtleneck top. I recently uploaded a picture on Instagram where I styled a red turtleneck sweater in 4 different ways with a denim, dungaree, black pants and a knitted textured pants. This one is from Fab Ali. Though a colored one is an addition, a basic black or white is a must-have because it's really versatile. So now I'll be talking about some must-have winter wear pieces for right layering like coats, jackets and shrugs. Layering and mixing and match is something I absolutely enjoy and trust me, if you have the right pieces to layer, you are sorted. So the next winter wear must-have is a basic black coat which goes with anything and everything. You can wear it with colors, neutrals and all black. A basic black coat looks very classy and it instantly elevates your look. I bought this one from Fab Ali and recently I even teamed it up with my night suit from the Porky Penguin, a Kolkata-based nightwear brand. So the next must-have winter wear essential is a trench coat. In winters, what you wear on the outside matters the most, so why not make a statement with a trench coat? While buying one, make sure that the fit is right. You can go for a neutral one, or to make things even more interesting, you can opt for bright colors to add some pop of color to your neutral or an all-black outfit. I also played color blocking with this one on my trip to Darjeeling. This was definitely my investment piece. So the next must-have winter wear essential is a knitted shrug. You can go for an oversized one as it looks really cool, and a knitted shrug keeps you really warm and cozy, and I think everyone should have at least one in their wardrobe. You can create a monochrome look with this one, going for a bottom of the same color palette and a neutral tank top. It's perfect to keep you warm on a casual day out. Next are my favorites, that is blazers. I love blazers, especially teaming it up in non-formal ways. While buying one, make sure that it fits you really well. You can go for stripes, solid colors or houndstooth prints. I would suggest to team it up with your basics to make it stand out. Wear woolens inside to keep you extra warm. Moving on to another winter wear essential, we have oversized knitted sweaters. Colored and oversized sweater is a go-to piece of a winter wear wardrobe. Team it up with fitted pants and you're all set to go. I love my chunky, loosey knitted oversized sweater that I bought from Zara last year. Next up is denim jacket, and I'm sure most of you have one in your wardrobe. Style it up with a basic tank top and a denim for a denim on denim look, and team it up with a neck piece and you're good to go. Next up we have high-waisted knitted textured pants which are super comfy unlike your skinny jeans. You can simply style such pants with solid color tops and boots and you're all chic to step out. So the last winter wear essential that I have are oversized hoodies. They look really cool yet keeps you warm. You can go for camo, solid colors or any other prints. To make it look more interesting or for a cool athleisure look, you can add pants of similar prints. So I hope you all like this video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and bye. And you can style the pant as a beanie too. Follow me on Instagram. Lifestyle content creator and क्या था? So I hope you all like this video and don't. So I hope. अरे यार मैं तो बोला कि नहीं जा रहा आज. Oversized hoodies. Oh God, trust me, it can be is a basic black coat with